Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can switch between games and tools in your Steam library in 2026. So let us guide you through it. Launch the Steam application and you can switch between games in your game library and tools by clicking into this field here below the home button in your Steam library and select tools and unselect games. And that is going to show you basically enabled tools for associated games inside your game library, for example, like various servers or testing tools, betas, and so on and so forth. So if you'd like to use these and gain access to them, simply switch to tools here, and after that click into the given tool to install it. And to return back to games, simply unselect tools and select games. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.